Hello everyone, this is Vincent and for tonight's video, mag-unboxing tayo ng ating bagong tambourine. Kaya samahan nyo akong tuklasin ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Joke. Ayan, so nakikita nyo naman na balot na balot yung ating in-order and para secure siya pagkarating dito sa amin and balot na balot lang siya ng karton. Ayan, for safety purpose and secure. Lagay yung ating bagong tambourine.
Good as new. Thank you, Shopee. Thank you, Shopee. Thank you, Shopee.
Thank you, Shopee. Thank you, Shopee. 10-inch tambourine. Sa lagang 252 lang. Sulit.